Welcome to your guide on opening and using the Gooble composter. All right, so right out of the box, you'll notice we have one lid that's no hole, and then 3 lids here that have holes in them to be able to let everything moisture go down. So we'll have a bag premix here, which is basically a mixture of dirt, fibers, small wood chips, kind of the pre-starter for dirt is what it is. And then we have 4 buckets here. So you'll notice with these 4 units that we have, there's gonna be one that has no hole in it. That one goes on the bottom, and then 3 others that have holes in the middle to allow moisture to go all the way down. So we have 1, 2, 3 units. All right then, so when it comes to stacking these, you know, it's not a magical order, but guess what? We have this one at the bottom. Once this one gets full, basically you're just gonna add another one to the top. So add this one to the top, you know, put the lid on, but just switch the lid. Always keep this lid on top so that way it kind of helps keep out some of the rain or water. So whenever you run out of space with the one, just gradually start moving it to the bottom. So I would add this one, repeat the process, put newspaper, put the premix, put your compost on it, stack it on, put it there. And then once that one gets full, just add another one to the top of it. So take the lid off, put your lid with a hole on it, put it here, and add it to the top. So guess what? There's no magical order. It's not a matter of if you get it wrong, you're gonna mess it up. Just if you run out of space with one, move it to the bottom, move one up that doesn't have space. And then once everything's kind of full, once it looks like it's something you're ready to put on your plants, pull it out. So these are gonna be great units if you live in a space where you don't have a ton of extra yard area. In this case, it's all just self-contained, got in here, you can pick it up, move it easily, take it where you wanna go.